Hey, what's going on, everybody? Yeah, Boca, I needed more coffee this morning, too. Welcome in, everybody, to the live stream. I had to stop at Burger King today. Not a huge fan of their coffee, but, I like their breakfast burritos, so I had to hop on those and got it stuck in my tooth still. So got one more left. I might eat it later, but I'm all set to go. It's a Friday. And a lot to get to here in the crypto market. Btfa has been on fire. Proud to announce that they are now a channel sponsor. My first channel sponsor, just kind of throwing some feelers out there. Had a great conversation with Btfa. Of course, did a video review for them back in April, right in mid-April, somewhere in around April 15th, April 16th. So was happy to bring them on board. Also did an AMA with them as well. So that was awesome. So happy to have them as a channel sponsor, the first channel sponsor of the show. You can see their logo down below me, and also their website is linked in the description if you want to learn more about Btfa. They've got Bandex coming, which is going to be very, very interesting. A lot of new pre-sales, new tokens coming out this weekend and into early next week. Should be very interesting. A lot of different plays out there. We'll go over some of those today. Right now, if you would, let me know in chat, what are you most excited about this weekend? A lot going on. A lot going on in the crypto space when it comes to new launches, new tokens, pre-sales, and what have you. So a lot of opportunities out there if you keep your eyes peeled. If you're not locked into just one crypto, you're diversifying your portfolio, you're constantly learning, you're always trying to accumulate information. There are a lot of opportunities out there to be had in this crypto market, even with the crypto market the way it is, trading sideways just about, all of 2022, at least when we look at the top 100 tokens and coins, there are still major opportunities out there to be had if your eyes are peeled. So Boca says he needs more coffee. Good morning, everybody. What is going on? What's happening, everybody? Boca needs more coffee. Ape went bananas this morning. Will it continue to raise? Are you part of the YouTube AMA with SHIB? Yeah, we'll get into Apecoin a little bit and what I did with Ape. We're trading right now at 21.74, are still moving higher. So I'll get into exactly what I did with Apecoin. I actually went ahead and took my initial profits out last night. Let me even show you. I can just show you on our Discord because I let my Discord members know. And this is exactly what I did. Now, listen, I still have a long position in Apecoin, and I'm planning on buying more. But hear me out. I'm going to give you my exact strategy. I'm going to give you exactly what I'm thinking and what I'm doing. Before I do, though, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let me head over to Discord. Let me pull up Apecoin on our Discord. I'm going to show you exactly what I did because it's time-stamped and everything. You could see for yourself here what I did last night. I let everybody know on this one what exactly I was thinking, okay? So, and listen, they always say, right, it's really hard to time the market, right? It's about time in the market. All right. So, you never know if this is going to be perfect, right? Here, let me go full screen here. There we go. All right. So, but yes, I am planning on joining the YouTube AMA with, Milkshake and all the other YouTubers out there as well. Looking forward to that. So I don't know if she gave an actual time. I was messaging her yesterday. We'll get to it. I do have some things to talk about with Shiba Inu too. We're going to get there in a little bit as well. Okay. So here's what I did yesterday around 8:40. A little bit before this, it was around like 8:35, and then I posted it in here for Apecoin. So basically, I got in day one at $6.30. Okay. I was lucky enough to get in a little bit in there. I wish I had more in there. Okay. But it is what it is. I got that open position there. I was pumped. Okay. So with that being said, I am leaving that. I'm not touching that at all. Okay. Not touching that at all. Now, what I ended up doing 3 days ago, and I normally don't do this, guys, but I just felt like with the catalyst that we had with the other side metaverse, there was another rumor going around. There's a rumor going around about OpenSea accepting Apecoin on their marketplace. I just felt like it was going to run up at least until tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's the big day at noon. And it could still fly past, these levels. And it could look like I made a bad decision. But right now, it looks like a good decision. So here's what I did. Like I said, I got in. I put $20K. I put $20K in at $19 at its all-time high for Apecoin. Right on the heels of the news that I heard about OpenSea and I knew about Other Side, and I'm like, I think this thing's going to run. Okay. So I put 20K. I actually moved 20K from Tether right into Apecoin at 19 bucks 3 days ago. I just took my 20K out last night at $24. So I pulled that 20K back into stable coins, and now I'm left with 7K in Apecoin, all house money. Let's freaking go. That's how you play this crypto game. That's what I love to do. Now I've got 7K now of Apecoin that I never had just because I bought in 3 days ago at $19. Little quick flip back over into the stable coins. Guess what happens with that money that's back in the stable coins? I wait until it goes lower and I buy that dip and get in at a lower price and do it again. And rinse and repeat. And then I still have my long position. This is what I like to do. I like to have multiple positions open in long-term assets that I like, a couple positions that I like to trade in and out of, and another position that is my long-term moon bag, hold on forever, hold on for the next 10-year bag, whatever you want to say, right? That is how I like to play it. So I'm letting you in on my little secrets here. And of course, the private community members and I are always having these conversations, okay, behind closed doors. So if you want to become a Patreon member, don't do it today. Wait until the first of the month because you're going to get charged twice. Okay. But coming up on, why am I down in here in June? May 1st is what? Sunday? Wait till Sunday and join up on Sunday because we have our newsletter dropping on Monday too. Brand new newsletter that we're rolling out on Monday. So I'm pretty pumped about that. But if you're interested in it, wait till May 1st. And, we always are throwing out some gold nuggets. It doesn't always work perfect. Okay. But that's how I played it here. Okay. And so far, it looks like a good move. Obviously it ran all the way up to 27, I think. Where's it at right now? Yeah, it ran up to about 27 here on Dex Tools. Okay. I waited for it to come back down into the 24 range. And I said, you know what? I'm happy. Let me pull my 20K out. Let me take 7K, leave it in Apecoin. That's house money, baby. That's house money. I didn't lose nothing. Now I just have 7K more of Apecoin. Let's freaking go. And I still have that long position. So that's what it's all about. Good morning, everybody. I got some catching up to do in the chat. Let's see. Mod Raid. What's up, Muzz? Good morning, Zach. When will you get a Shiboshi? I feel like big things are coming for us holders. Yeah, man, I heard that floor is moving up. Btfa all the way. I'm loving what Btfa is doing, man. Really excited to see what they're up to for sure. 100%. All right. What else do we got here? Btfa is the way. Much love for Btfa. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm getting very interested in the project. I think there is some big potential here. Anything, ape related right now. A lot of people feel like they missed out on Apecoin, right? So maybe they're looking to that next ape project. Could be Btfa, right? Howdy, Zay. What's happening, man? Non-raid mod. What's up, Faye? Nicholas, SHIB. What's going on? Yeah, we're going to get into some things on SHIB, Nicholas, for sure. Holden, what's happening? Volt's looking strong, man. Loving Volt, too. I'm going to have some more videos out on Volt for sure in the coming weeks. They've just been crushing it. So, Kat, what's happening, brother? Good morning. Happy Friday to everybody out there. Go ahead and smash that like button. Come on now. We got a lot to get to. What's up, Daniel? Fearless Warrior, what's going on? I like that sweater. Where to buy? I'm not sure where I got this, Muzz. I'm not sure where I got this. Morning, Big Z. Morning, sir. Keep my eye on Ape this weekend. Yeah, it's a big weekend for Ape. I'm investing in burgers. Yummy. I got Burger King burritos stuck in my teeth. Good morning, Taja. How we doing? Work Zay. Oh, talking about burritos. Btfa is the way. Btfa, stake it to the limit. Yeah, the returns on the staking are pretty sick. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, Michael. SHIB. What's up? Yeah, we got some interesting things to get into at SHIB for sure. All right, Big Fiji, my man. Thank you so much for the donations this morning, brother. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for the two $50 bombs this morning. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. ENS looks to be setting up another run, considering making a quick scalp on it. Ooh, I like it. When Daniel says something, guys, listen in. When Daniel's making a quick play at something, listen in, okay? I'm telling y'all, when he's making a quick play at something, listen in. Let's see. ENS is Ethereum name service, if you guys aren't hip to it. So let's see. It's ranked 142, getting closer to the top 100. It's down about 10% here. Here, let me go full screen for you. There you go. So ENS, it's down in the dirt a little bit. Maybe gearing up for another run, Daniel says. Could be a quick short-term play. Daniel, if you would, put in chat, where could we get ENS? I guess we can look at the markets here. Hold on. We could do that. So Coinbase Exchange, it is listed on Coinbase Exchange, ENS, okay? Gate.io, interesting. So ENS looks to be setting up for another run, considering making a quick scalp on it. All right. Well, if Daniel said so, I'm doing it right now. All right, I'm doing it right now. I'm getting some on Coinbase. How much do you think, Daniel? Like, how confident are you on this? BTFA in the house. Good morning. Good morning. BTFA going to make millionaires very soon. BTFA, send you love, brother. Modi Khan, thank you so much for the $100 donation. Man, I'm pumped about BTFA and Bandex. I think something special is really brewing. I'm happy to have them now as a channel sponsor on the channel. I think a lot of people are looking into ape projects now. They see Apecoin. It's on the top of the brain. People think they missed ape. Man, I think they can really make some noise here, okay? And they obviously had an unbelievable pre-sale and launch with BTFA. I expect a lot of the same with Bandex. I'm probably most excited about Bandex. There's a lot of launches coming up this weekend, right? A lot going on. And even on Monday, we've got some things happening too. So a lot of things happening. We've got, Zelda Inu is rolling out Zeldaverse. Their first launch, 250x. Okay, I was talking to Vince last night, and I was talking to a lot of people on their Telegram. It's on the Binance side. They are fired up. Muzz was in there. Okay, so there's a lot going on. Where can I buy BTFA and Bandex? BTFA and Bandex, well, Bandex isn't out yet. Make sure you get the 411 on Bandex. So what we know on Bandex is it's going to be a 1.5 mil starting market cap, 1-to-1 airdrop, 1 trillion Bandex is the starting supply. Pre-sale is May 2nd, launch right afterwards. So again, May 2nd is that launch. That's Monday. We've got Zelda Inu launching Zeldaverse on May 1st on Sunday. We've got just about something going on every day this weekend into Monday with new launches, new projects, new opportunities. So, Robert, thank you, man. Yeah, that's the strategy, man. I let you guys in. I let you guys in on the Apecoin noise, or news, or my moves that I'm making. We'll rehash that a little bit too. Banana Task Force Ape in the house this morning. Phantom launch, you in? I'm not interested right now in Phantom launch. I hope all goes well. I'm just going to sit that one out, I think, for right now. Good morning, sir. What's up, Boomer Sooner? What's up, man? What are your thoughts on Green Satoshi? Don't know about it. GST. But anyway, okay, I gotta buy some of this ENS. Okay. All right. So he said, oh shoot, ENS is just popping now. It's back into 18s. Shit, I missed it. All right, hold on. I gotta get in. I'm FOMOing. Daniel said get in. So if I lose money, it's all Daniel's fault. All right, I'm going to put, what do you guys think? 10K? Let's see if we can get a quick flip into ENS. I mean, again, this is back into my tether that I just had into Ape, and I made 7K. House money on it. All right, we're going in. USDT to ENS, 10K. We ready? Boom. Preview send. Come on. All right, we are in. We're in ENS. There we go. So, Daniel, you better not be wrong. Let's see where I'm at. I probably lost a little bit on that deal. All right, hold on. Let's see where I'm at. They're going to give me... I lost a little bit on the fee. All right, so that's what I got. 9,771. 9,777. So I put 10K in there. Ooh, 9,794. All right, we'll see what happens by the end of the stream. We'll see if we're going to leave this up and see what happens to Ethereum name service during the stream. All right, we just degened in. Guys, if one of the moderators could let people know on the Patreon Insiders, well, I guess everybody just saw it, but let them know on Patreon Insiders too. I don't have time to send a Patreon alert. If you guys could, that'd be awesome. Ryoshi Vision prime for a move. Big pullback in Ryoshi Vision, actually. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Let's see. Think Apecoin will run again today? I don't know. I do think we could have seen the top. Okay. And that's why I got out, at least pulled my initial out. Okay. That's why I pulled my initial out because I just thought that major run to 27 could be our high. I saw it coming down. That's why I got out at 24, took my initial out. I've got 7K of house money now. Still have my opening position. I'm happy with that. So that's kind of where I'm at. Good morning, Neville. What's going on? Just bought 2 more ape. Nice. Picked up 8,000 Crow yesterday when you put out the Crow video. Crow is due. Oh, yeah. Tori, I think Crow is going to be a really, really big project. No question about it, man. No question about it. Boca, what's happening, man? Or I'm sorry, Cat. Boca, all love. Nice. So good morning, everybody out there. Make sure you guys hit that like button here on your way in. Great Friday morning. About 240 people hanging out with us. Let's pop this up over to 250 here. Just you can help out just by hitting that like button. It feeds the algorithm. We're watching Apecoin this morning. We're watching Btfa. A lot to get into. Volt Inu is launching again. Man, a lot to get into. WAGMI's on a little bit of a pullback. SHIB Toro's on a pullback. SHIB is down at that 2.2 level. There's a lot of opportunities out here, either to buy the dip or to get into new launches, new tokens, swing trades. You gotta keep your eyes open and be willing to diversify, be willing to take some risks, right? That's what it's all about. So, oh, sorry, William. I think somebody did ask me about where you can buy Btfa earlier. So here, we'll go over to their website real quick. Hold on one sec. So Btfa, they did just get on. Didn't they get on a first exchange? Or no, that was WAGMI that just got on their first exchange. Hold on, let me see. Where are we at? But we are listed on some exchanges here with Btfa as well. Where are they? Do they have? Oh, here we go. How to buy. So you can buy on Ape Wallet. Uniswap is where I got them. You can buy on Dex Tools, Hotbit, LBank, Bitmart, and XT. Those are the 4 exchanges that Btfa is listed on. I am hearing that there are talks and conversations going on with some other exchanges. I can't give you much more details on that right now, but there are some conversations happening with some other exchanges. That's what I can tell you right now. No timetable on that. Where can I buy Btfa? There you go. Task Force Gang, what's up? What's up? Boca, Banana Task Force sponsors the channel. Maybe leave the comments. LOL. I'm considering a 2K play for ENS with a quick exit at 25% up. All right, bro. All right, so that's what I'm doing with you. I'm in on it. All right, so when we go 25% up, I put 10K in it. So I'm in there with you, bro. Stop loss at negative 15%. Okay. I'm in, bro. Let's see. Where are we at on the 1 month? Where are we at on the 7-day? Okay. I see what you're saying. A little bit of a dip here on the 7-day. So you're thinking we can go back up into this like $20 range real quick, basically. So basically when it gets near 20, maybe exit, just quick flip. I like it, Daniel. I like it. Ethereum name service, guys, gaining a lot of traction too, ranked 142 by market cap right now. This isn't like a degen play. This is just, again, a quick little swing trade. This is how you can make money in a sideways market, okay? This is how you can do it. Boca, Workzay, you guys might absolutely hate Jake's chats then. Oh, you guys are talking about the emojis. What do you think about PayXG? Oscar, good morning, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. BTFA gang, so hyped. What's up, KB? ENS looks like a cup and handle, also on CDC. Oh, right. Oh, let's see. Let's see. BTFA to the moon. Been here with you since SHIB last year. Nice. What's up, Almonte? Kamal, good morning. Good morning. Supreme Plug, 1,000. $1,000. Oh, to put in. Sorry, guys. I am so far behind the chat. This happens every single morning. I got to catch up here. Hold on. ENS will take longer than this stream to make any substantial movement. Okay. All right, cool. We'll be watching it. Zach, I don't think so many Apecoin going places, brother. I don't think so many. You don't think Apecoin's going anywhere? I totally disagree. Why do you think that, Neville? I totally disagree. But that's okay. We could talk it out. I think Zach should drop at least 10K into BTFA. I am in BTFA, but I don't want to buy at these levels. Where are we at on BTFA? Let's see. I don't want to buy at the top. You know what I mean? I mean, everybody's getting in here so they can get a piece of Bandex. I get it. I totally get it. We do have some things to talk about with SHIB too, guys. So we're going to jump into that here in just a little bit. Zach, please explain how Bandex will burn 6% of BTFA on transaction and give reflections. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, I've been listening into that. It's definitely going to be beneficial to BTFA in getting into Bandex. I don't know exactly how the reflections are going to work. That's something I got to figure out. The other thing is you're going to have to claim your Bandex from the contract, and you're going to get 10% per day. I'm still trying to find out if there's going to be a claim fee. So if somebody's in here from BTFA, that'd be awesome to get your response. If not, I will talk to Sway or one of the people over at BTFA to get that answer, ahead of Bandex. People did want to know if there's going to be a claim fee. Again, you get 10% per day on Bandex. So don't get BTFA on BM. BM stinks like the Texas Longhorns. Yeah, Bitmart. There's a lot of these smaller exchanges that are not the best, right? Zach is way behind on chat. Yeah, I'm trying to get back up here. Zach, you're getting some love in the BTFA Telegram right now. I happen to be in there researching. Very cool. Very cool. That's awesome, Muzz. I thought ENS was when it was over $100. SMH should have waited. Oh, you bought it when it was over $100. Did it pump that hard? No way. Let's see. Let's go to the all. It pumped that hard? Okay, I can see it here. Wait, let's see where the all-time high was on ENS. So it's way down here. This might be a nice hold. Right? Hold on, let's see here. Where's the high? All-time high was $85.69. So it's 79% off its all-time high. Fearless82, thank you so much for the $30 donation. We already have BTFA wallet, staking utility, aggregator, dashboard available from before launch. We have our Bandex token open for pre-sale. Let's go. A lot of great things happening within the BTFA ecosystem. I don't know, man. I just feel something really big could be in store for BTFA. I really do. I just think it's a timing thing, right? So much of the market is timing. What's going on right now? Well, anything ape related is going absolutely ape shit. Let's just call it what it is, right? Mutant apes, they're setting records. Bored apes, they're setting records, right? I mean, anything related to apes right now is crushing it. Apecoin, there's a lot of hype around ape projects. BTFA launched right around that hype. And a lot of people see BTFA as the next thing that hasn't really taken off yet, right? Right. And, getting verified on Twitter, I think was a big deal. I don't think people are talking about that enough. I think that solidifies them. That brings you a lot of, people just on that. Okay. Just on that alone, people are now looking at you a little bit differently. Like, whoa, like this is legit. It just launched. Maybe this is an opportunity that I've been waiting for right here. Okay. So I don't want Zach and BTFA. He's only trading and hurting the chart. We need long-term holders. Hoot, that's not true, man. So whoever you're hearing that from, it's not true, bro. You can look up my wallet. It's been made public all over the place. Go look it up, man. I've never pumped and dumped any project, regardless of what people say on Twitter. So go look it up for yourself. And if you don't know how to read Etherscan, have somebody do it for you, and you'll get the facts. That's all I got for you on that front. There will be a gas fee if you're claiming directly from the contract via Web 2. Okay, so there will be a claim fee or a gas fee. That makes sense. So it won't be a claim fee. It'll just be the gas fee. So you do pay a fee. There we go. Claim fee will range around $6 to $10 per transaction. So is there a claim fee and also a gas fee? I wonder. SHIB Ninja, what's happening, man? Any price predictions on SHIB for May? It just depends if we get back into a bull run for SHIB. But I'll tell you what, with SHIB right now at these 2.2 levels, this is where I like to accumulate. I've been saying it for a while. This is where I like to accumulate. This is hitting those support lines, again, that we've been talking about, okay? Getting very close. And if it dips even further, the 2.1, that's even juicier. Down here at the 2-0, pretty much 2-1-2-0 down in here. These are your lines right here of support. Right in here, it hit lows, hit lows, hit lows, hit lows, and hitting lows again. Usually it's bouncing off this. You can see usually it bounces off into the 2-7s, 2-8s. Again, could be another opportunity for a swing. If you're looking, just a swing trade or accumulate. Either way. No, the fee will be interacting directly with the contract in Etherscan for Btfa via Web3. So just the gas fee, pretty simple process. Can show you later. Okay, awesome, Muzz. Awesome. So we can hash that out and make sure everybody's on the same page for Bandex when it launches on May 2nd. So pretty excited about that. I'm really looking forward to it. Of course, we've been following Apecoin. Apecoin right now trading at 2183. We have got a big day tomorrow. This thing has been on an absolute tear for about a week to 10 days. It's been amazing to watch this thing. Look at the top metaverse plays, guys. I mean, Apecoin has blown past household names like Decentraland, the Sandbox, Axie Infinity, Engine, Stacks, Theta. Just absolutely crushed these guys in a short amount of time. It's been remarkable, really, what Apecoin has done. They're ranked 22 right now on CMC, almost into the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies, and they essentially just launched. I mean, it's nuts, right? SapeApe is a good project. Yeah, I've been in contact with them. I'm looking to have them on for an AMA eventually down the line, Jen. So I'm working on that, and I actually listen into their AMA. Who had them on yesterday? Hobbs had them on. I listened in because I'm just kind of learning more about the project. I've been doing some homework on it. I do like what they're building. Jen, wait, did you mean SafeApe or is that something different? I got to watch now. SafeApe might be something different. I meant SafeApe. More like the toxic bots on Twitter claim 60% bots on there. And here, from what I've read, you're all good with what I've seen, Zach. I disagree on certain things, but you seem like a good dude and knowledgeable. Yeah, Salvatore, I mean, once you reach, I think this goes for anybody in any type of industry, but especially in the financial niche or crypto niche, once you start, reaching a certain level of a little bit of success, you have a target on your back, right? And people look to tear you down, right? We see it all the time with celebrities and athletes, right? They build you up just to try to tear you down. But you could do the research and do it for yourself. I've never pumped and dumped any projects, and you can take a look at my public wallet. We can have conversations about it, but nobody ever wants to come on the channel who disagrees with me. I've thrown invitations out there, and anybody who has an issue can come on the channel. It's an open invitation, but nobody seems to want to do that. They'd rather just hide behind Twitter and send messages, out in the open, and people don't do their homework. People don't do their research. So it is what it is. It's fine. It's all good. We keep it moving. Will you do a video on Shiba Doge again once it goes big? Yeah, we'll have a follow-up on Shiba Doge. They're interesting. They're an interesting project. They do have some things working. I was actually just talking to Cole and their marketing team yesterday about a few things actually, and kind of what they're building. I'm always keeping tabs on kind of what they've got what they got cooking. So Zach, possible you can do a claim video on claiming Bandex. JT, yeah, there's a good chance I can do something like that. We'll see as it comes down to it. May, so it's May 2nd. That's Monday, right? We'll have to see when the time is, right? Because I have a few things scheduled already Monday, but we'll put together something. If not that, maybe just a quick like how to do or something like that on Twitter or something. We can get that out. Coinbase is really expensive. Which broker app do you prefer for trading? So I use Coinbase, but here's the kicker. What's going on? I use Coinbase One. There's no fees. Coinbase One is the shit. So it's $30 per month. Okay. No fees. No fees when buying, selling, converting, nothing. Coinbase One, $30 per month. There you go, bro. Because I love Coinbase too, but the fees were kind of ridiculous, right? So yeah, somebody told me about Coinbase One. I've been using that for a while now, and it's legit. It's absolutely legit. Spreading the word in Apecoin. How would you summarize it to my crypto friends? Huge network of very influential people, and because they have this huge network of very influential people, That's why they're number one in the metaverse. That's why they're going to be successful in essentially anything they do, because they have the money and network of people to get things done. And I would just sum it up as that. Sometimes it doesn't have to make sense. It just has to. You have to look at a macroeconomic standpoint and say, okay, they've got very, very influential people behind them. They've got a huge, huge loyal community, right? A growing community. And they're tied to a multi-billion-dollar company in Yuga Labs, which at last check was valued around $4 billion. So that's why I don't think Apecoin is just a joke. They're backed by a $4 billion company, and a company that's continuing to grow at that. So it's not just some other shitcoin, as some people have said in the past. There were a lot of people who said that day one, and I think they've been proven wrong already, right? So that's what that is. Boomer Sooner, what's up, man? What's up? SHIB Ninja, what's up? Any Zelda Inu news? Like that smash button. Demetrius says, I like it, man. Keyboard warriors don't line the light, Zach. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's fine. I wish everybody the best. I think a lot of people out there, are hurting, who like to spread hate on the internet. I think they're probably hurting internally. So I wish them the best. I always look for the good in people, regardless of, them coming at me or coming at other people, or just looking to spread hate. I wish the best. I truly wish you the best, to everybody out there. So JT, you got it, brother. Keyboard. Okay. Any news on SafeMoon allegations? I'm on all the time and almost exclusively disagree. Doesn't mean we can't be friendly and civil about it. Yeah, 100%. What's up? Zach? Been listening to you in Austin for a while. You have great insight. 1111. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Mr. NC, what are we pumping today? Well, we've been talking about Apecoin since day one, and it's ranked number 22 right now. So we've been talking about that. We've been talking about Btfa, and that's doing great. So, Mr. NC, there's a lot of great opportunities out there if you're not just focusing on one project. Let's go. What else we got? Do you think XRP will be relisted on exchanges soon? Yeah, let's talk about XRP real quick. There was some interesting news that came out, right, on XRP. So if I bounce over here, I actually tweeted about it this morning, I believe. So here we go. Just in, the Ripple XRP versus SEC lawsuit is likely to end in 2022 after Judge Torres recently modified the date. So we'll see. This is good news for XRP and XRP holders if this goes through. But we've heard this story before, and it's been pushed back. So we'll see. Crypto Phoenix says Btfa will be in the top 20 within 6 months, and we're glad to have you part of the Btfa family. Man, that would be awesome to see, Crypto Phoenix. I am very bullish on the future of it and where we're headed, man. I really am. So let's see here. Let's see. There we go. Go back out to this view for a minute. Guys, another thing happening within the Shiba Inu ecosystem is this link is down below in the description too. ShibaCon tickets still available today. They had a great first day sale of tickets. So if you're unfamiliar with what's going on with the ShibaCon event, check this out. Full day on Thursday. We got panels and SHIB stories, keynote speakers, SHIB awards. It's going to be a great time. I was talking to so many people that are going yesterday in messages. I can't wait to meet some people out there. It's going to be great just to connect and talk about SHIB and how it's changed all of our lives. I think that's the cool thing is we all share similar stories with how SHIB has changed us in the last year and a half or so. So it's going to be awesome. It's out in Las Vegas. Check it out. My link is down below in the description. And if you want to check out those tickets, again, my link down below. I'll drop this in the comments too real quick if you're interested in that. So there you go. There's the Eventbrite link, and you can check it out if you're interested in going to Las Vegas this September. So that's what we got cooking up. Let's see here. Let's see real quick before we get into some other SHIB stories. Quick shout out to iTrust Capital. Great opportunity to invest in crypto using your IRA. My link down there is also with iTrust Capital, proud partner of the channel, and Crypto.com. I'm back with them. Happy to be back with Crypto.com, one of my favorite centralized exchanges. That's also down there as well. So check out those links down below in the description as well if you're interested in investing in a crypto using your IRA or starting a new portfolio in a centralized exchange, look no further than crypto.com. It's a great, great, great app, and it's growing, definitely growing. So, all right, with that being said, let's jump into a couple stories with SHIB. I got to go back over to Twitter here. But yeah, this is good for XRP. There's a lot of XRP bulls out there, and I like it. I like XRP, but I just want to see a little bit more as we get closer to the lawsuit ending. That's just me. I think there's other opportunities while we wait, right? And I'd rather have that money be doing other things like trying to swing trade ENS. What's going on here, Daniel? We're back down to 1795. What's going on here? I think I bought it 1803. We'll see what happens. No worries. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. Where is my? No, it's not. It was actual tweets here. There we go. There's two stories with SHIB that are very interesting. This one right here from Watcher Guru was very fascinating to me. Okay. Where's the story? There we go. Shiba Inu is the second longest held token on Coinbase now. Very interesting, right? So tokens that are held the longest on Coinbase usually are, pretty good projects, right? Because people aren't swing trading it and flipping it. The popular coin is only topped by Cardano among the top 20 coins on Coinbase. How about that? So Cardano and Shiba Inu, the top two coins held the longest. That's interesting. Very interesting. The development can most likely be attributed to the launch of SHIB, the metaverse, and the Shiba Inu burn portal. I think that's true. And then I think just people understand that this is not a meme anymore, that it's a real deal, right? And they want to be a piece of that next run, so they're going to hold it and even accumulate it, right? We've seen that from the Shiba Inu whales over the past several months here in 2022 to start the year, right? But I thought that was interesting. Speaking of Cardano real quick, too. Cardano is another one that is going under the radar, in my opinion. This is another one I want to acquire right now. Like, where's Cardano right now? 82 cents. I think that is a great spot to acquire. I mean, if you go out to the all chart here, here's the big dip that we saw in the recent time. Back down here, like 79 cents. We're heading right back to it. If you're looking to add to your Cardano bag here, this is getting really interesting and enticing, in my opinion. Zelda Inu, yeah, we were rocking and rolling in their Discord last night, in their Telegram. Not enough people know about Zelda either. So Zelda Inu, it's very simple what they're doing. And there's proof of it. Vince is fully doxxed. They're helping dogs at dog shelters. It's great work. And they 250x at launch. They've just been consolidating. They've got Zeldaverse coming out, which is their play at the metaverse. We're going to have 7% buyback going back into Zelda Inu. So it's going to be fascinating to watch that launch. That's a new launch coming up on May 1st. So, here are their donations. Over 40,000 donated, 15,000. These are all donations. And they're, this is their head guy right here, Vince right here. That's their head guy, the head dev. They're doing great work. Helping dogs in need by funding the rescues who save them. That's, but it's very simple. That's why I liked it. We could see it over here on the Binance side. I could show you. It's been just kind of flatlining for a while. We are up about 3% right now. That's good to see. So here's Zelda Inu. And again, Zeldaverse launching. There's their chart. There's their long look of their chart. Again, they 250x'd at launch, which was crazy. But then they've just been trading sideways. But this 7% buyback should be really good for Zelda Inu, too. They've got over 6,000 holders here on the BNB side of things. Total market cap just about 12 million. So they're somewhere in that mid cap, right? Somewhere in that mid cap area. All right, back over to SHIB. There's another thing I want to get to. Where was it? WAGME too, by the way. Guys, beta is in full motion ahead. A little bit of a pullback on the price right now. Might be a good opportunity for people who missed it on the last run. If you still like that project. Here it is. Google Trends study shows SHIB is the most popular crypto in the UK. This is interesting, right? We used to look at Google Trends data all the time back in the day, especially when SHIB was just starting out, right? It was a great barometer of where SHIB was and where it could go by tracking where it was, pegged up against like Dogecoin and Ethereum and Bitcoin. And we can kind of, decipher where it is and how it's growing, because it all starts on search engines. YouTube is owned by Google, right? So we did a lot of Google Trends analysis and kind of looked in and saw that SHIB was moving up way back in 2021. This was before the big explosion that happened in October, right? We were looking at Google Trends data, and I said I really liked what I saw, as that Google Trends data was indicating that more and more people were getting hip to what Shiba Inu was doing. The hype was building, because you have to search it and learn about it before people buy it, right? Again, another way to look at it from a macroeconomic standpoint. I'm still learning the technical analysis side of things, but I do like, I'm an investor that comes at it from the macroeconomic standpoint, right? More than anything else. But let's see what they say here. 22 days ago, Bitcoin.com News wrote about a Coin Insider trend study that combed through Google Trends data in the United States. According to the report, Dogecoin was the most Googled crypto in the country. Another study published by AskGamblers.com has covered similar data, but concentrated on the UK's and Europe's Google searches. AskGamblers.com? Who's running that website? According to the report, while Bitcoin is the most popular crypto asset in Europe, by people holding it, the study of the trends show that the meme token Shiba Inu is the most popular in the UK. Interesting. Very fascinating. I wonder where this is also the case, like around the globe, right? What do you guys think? I'm way behind in chat, guys. Let's see. Hemi, do you think it's a good idea to invest in Dogelon? I like Dogelon. Yeah, we've talked about it. Bape is making noise on Twitter. Hold Bape, earn Ape. Baby Ape gives Ape reflections. Nice. So let me guess. Coinbase One, you have to hold a certain amount of money, SMH. I don't know if that's true, Zay. It just popped up on my end, and I was able to click it. So how I got there, I'm not sure if you have to have a certain amount of money. I don't know. It was on the left-hand side panel for me. Okay. I don't think so. I don't think you had to. So where it shows over here on the left-hand side, when you click these 3 bars, you have like learn and earn and all that stuff on the left-hand side panel. I scrolled all the way down, and right where it says get Coinbase Wallet, get support, underneath there it said get Coinbase One. So that's where I found it after somebody told me about it. And man, I've been loving it. Let's see. Yeah, the mod squad got in at launch on Zelda. Nice. I missed that, by the way, at 250x. I missed it. Let's just clarify one important point, however. Link had the sword and shield, not Zelda. Right. Muzz loves it. Let's see. What are your feelings on ShibToro? ShibToro's continuing to bleed right now, but their head dev fully doxed last night. I liked that. I'm actually going to meet their head dev, Chad, in the coming weeks, so I'm excited about that. I still think ShibToro is going to bounce back. Right now, they're going through all these growing pains with, Brandon, right? Brandon, who left the team and left them high and dry, and a lot of people got upset and sold. So it's going to take some time to rekindle those relationships that they lost with holders, and people will eventually come back. They're trying to get more and more people over to their Discord, so check that out. But ShibToro is very, very early still. It's only a $1.3 million market cap, so I still think the future is bright. The NFTs are coming soon, and I still think this community can really grow and bud through the Flexonomics approach, which I really like. I think more projects need to consider that strategy of really allowing the holders to dictate what buy and sell taxes look like at various times. I think that makes you a more connected investor to the project, right? So those are my feelings right now, David, on ShibToro. But again, looking forward to meeting Dev Chad and learning more about what the future lies and what kind of future catalysts they have too. So let's see, what else do we got? What do you think about the Neko? I think this is going to be a huge project. Yeah, this is out of Yasha, and Neko Mask coming out very soon. I saw that Neko hardware wallet in Q3. The Neko is the best security for crypto in the future. Neko had a great launch and has since come down, because that's how it usually goes until they get the main utility out. But that main utility could be very game-changing. And, I've worked with the Yasha team on a lot of things. They're helping power our NFT project as well, the Rich Rabbit Club. My link for that is in my Twitter page if you're interested in checking that out. But, the Neko is an interesting project. I put it up there with Cliff And obviously Guzzler right now, and then Yasha itself is some of their top projects. They've got an interesting incubator with a lot of different things going on. They've come out with a lot of different projects here in the last year and a half or so. So I do like Neko. I do. I love Doge and SHIB. What's up, Frank? K-Town Rich became a new member on YouTube. Shout out to you, K-Town. Thanks, bro. K-Town Rich with the $2 donation. Thanks, man. Kevin Jones with a $5 donation. Thank you for entertaining my question on Hex yesterday. We're up 10% today. Yeah, I saw that, Kevin. I reached out to Richard Hart. I didn't hear anything back, so we'll see. I saw that he got verified on Instagram, though. He was pretty pumped about that, and on Twitter, so that's good. Maybe that helps the Hex community out a little bit, helps his reach. I think that would be, I mean, he already has a huge reach, right? He's a super powerful person. I'd love to have him on the channel, man. I think what he's built is really fascinating. So if anybody has a direct line with Mr. Hart, let him know that he's always welcome here. I'm very fascinated in what he's built and would love to learn more about it. So let me know on that. Is Sandbox a decent buy? Where is Sandbox at right now price-wise? I don't even know. Let's see. We got to see where ENS is real quick because I just put 10K into that on the live stream. 1793. Okay. We're kind of hovering in the same area. Sandbox. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, this is it's down quite a bit. Let me go back to the all. Yeah, this is getting interesting. Yeah. I mean, it's bleeding. Yeah. No, this is definitely a good time for Sandbox. I mean, what I would do here is because you don't really know if you're going to continue to go lower, you could free fall all the way back down to 76 cents, really. But if you really wanted, if you really thought Sandbox was a good play, and I'm not saying it isn't, I think it is. But if you're really looking to get into this, what I would do, not financial advice, I would start dollar cost averaging. So if I had like 3K on the sidelines that I wanted to eventually get into Sandbox, I would, start buying it each and every day. Use something where you could buy a little bit each and every day. And again, I'm using Coinbase because there's no fees in doing that. So I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every day right now on Coinbase through Coinbase One, and there's no fees. So you could do something like that. That's what I would do personally if you're looking at Sandbox, because right now you're free falling a little bit. And, regardless if it even bounces back, you're just buying a little bit every day and, DCAing into it. That's what I would do. Coinbase One is still in beta and not available to all users. You could search and import your email, and they will notify once available. Thank you, Faisal. So I must have just got lucky, and it's on my beta. I got on the beta list or whatever. I just saw it pop up. Somebody was telling me about it. It's awesome, by the way. So if you have it, definitely give it a try. For $30 per month, if you do a lot of trading and converting of cryptos, it's going to pay for itself quickly. It's going to pay for itself very quickly. So 100%. Let's see. Coinbase sent an invite to me, an app and an email. Same with my Coinbase card. Was whitelisted for the Coinbase card. Might just be the demographic they are targeting. Okay. I don't see a Coinbase One on that list. Okay, so there you go. There's the answer, though. So everybody's not getting it. It's in beta. Salvatore says you missed a chance to plug or your stuff because by joining the community, you can get a network of people to help you be profitable and save time looking through almost 20K worth of crypto projects. Wait, I don't know. I missed something. What did I miss? Where was the chance? It must have been a while ago. I don't know. Let me know again in chat. Let's see. Sand is a buy. I agree, Lord Shiba. I agree. Awesome, Austin. What's happening, bro? What's happening, man? What's up? What's up, Awesome? Still waiting on Pochi Inu to do something. Bro, me too. I got wrecked on that deal. That was the one Yasha project that I got wrecked. Guys, I put $18,000 of my own money in that, and it's wrecked. It's worth like $4,000. So you can't win them all. But again, I go back to Apecoin yesterday. That was a win. I mean, everybody is out there thinking they have to win every trade, or there's people out there that say they win every trade. I don't think so. I've never met anybody who's won every trade. And you have to take risks in crypto to win big. You have to. You can't just sit back and be passive. And, I don't know. That's just, now with that being said, 80%, 75% of my portfolio is in blue chips. Okay. But with that 25 to 30%, I mean, I'm playing the game. I'm gambling, right? And Pochi was a gamble. And I'm not going to sell it right now. Right. I'm hoping when the NFTs come out, we get a pop. So yeah, Pochi, I got wrecked on Pochi. So, but it happens. It's crypto, guys. You're not going to hit on every freaking project, especially when you're, know how many cryptos and different portfolios, right? Like you're not going to win on all of them. It's just not going to happen. The key to the game is to win more than you lose and win big on a couple of them. And guess what? You're going to like where you're at. That's just it, you know? But anyway, so here's what I did with Apecoin. People just tuning in. I mentioned this at the top. So basically, I got in day one at like $6.30. Wish I had to put more into it, but that position I am holding. I'm not touching it. Okay. By the way, this is inside my Discord where we have these private conversations, but I'm giving you a little peek behind the curtain here and what goes on in our private community. Actually, we're having great conversations about new pre-sales and pre-sale launches too. Just great conversation where you can actually disagree with somebody and people don't get pissed off and go crazy. We're actually learning from one another. That's what actually happens over here. So anyway. I'm leaving that position at $6.30. Okay, that was my initial investment day one when it launched. Okay, now 3 days ago on the metaverse play with the other side and with a rumor that I heard that OpenSea was going to have Apecoin on its marketplace, which I'm going to get to that here in a second. There was a tweet that came out that I want to get to on that real quick. We're going to get there in just a sec. On that news, and I don't normally like to do this, I bought at the all-time high. At that time, it was $19 when I bought in. I can tell you all, I put it right here, but I can tell you all my mods, I told what I was doing, and I dropped it in there, and they knew exactly where I was going with it. But anyway, I knew it was going to be some type of swing trade. So I put 20K in there, right? And I knew it was going to be somewhere around like a 7 to 8K, house money play where I wanted to pull it out, okay? But I was going to watch the chart. So yesterday, Apecoin went absolutely insane, right? Apecoin went to the freaking moon and went all the way up to $27. Then I started watching it pull back, right? And I knew right in that time frame I was going to pull it and at least get my initial 20K back into stablecoin. So I pulled it at $24, 24 and some change, pulled the 20K back out, put it into stablecoins, and now I have 7K of house money in Apecoin. Maybe a little bit less than that. Here, I'll actually show it to you on screen. Because it might be a little bit less than that. Actually, it's down now. It was 7 when it was still up there at 24. So that's what I've got in there now. 5,982. That is all house money. I didn't have that 3 days ago. That is all because you made a swing trade on Apecoin 3 days ago. So people out there who say just diamond hand everything and never sell your bag and hold it forever, well, I would have never made $6,000 in 3 days. Okay. So again, I have a long position in Apecoin still that I bought in at $6.30. This is gold. This is how you win in crypto, guys. This is how you win. And again, I just told you about Btfa. Like I got drilled on that. You lose some, you win some. Win more than you lose, you're going to win. It's real simple. It's real simple. But anybody who sits there says they buy crypto and they just hold forever. How the hell could you make money if you hold forever? Until you can start spending all your crypto in the stores and on your vacation, which it's not doable right now. How are you going to win? Aren't you in it to make money? Aren't you in it to make your life better, to make your family's lives better, to pay your bills, to buy a new car, to buy a new house, to take a vacation? Isn't that what it's about? So that's what I normally do. I have a long position in assets that I like Apecoin. I'm not touching the $6.30 position. That's my moon bag. But that doesn't mean I can't open up other positions and swing trade when there's big catalysts like this going on. That's what smart investors do, right? They have multiple positions in projects that they like, okay? So people disagree with that, and it's okay. Everybody has differing points of view, but the point of view that you should just hodl forever, I totally disagree with. And I would love to have people on the channel who have that mentality, and we can have a real civil conversation about it and talk through it. And I think that'd be a great learning experience. But, that's where I sit on that. So hopefully that helps you out there. Hopefully that gives you some insight. And by the way, Apecoin today, I got out, 24 and some change because I really think 27 is the new all-time high. I think 27 is the top. All right. I could be wrong. Like it could go, freaking to the moon today. I mean, I don't know. But we saw 27 yesterday. Okay. This is actually off. This thing jumped to 27. I don't know why it's not showing it here on screen. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But it jumped to 27. I mean, 100% it did. So I don't know why it's not showing up here. I could show you on Coinbase. I mean, here it is. Like, here it is on Coinbase, right? So it jumped to, what is that? 27.79. That's where it jumped to. It jumped to 27.79. I watched it as it came back down. And, right at that first little peak there, like on the come down, that's when I got out. Because I think 27 is the top for now. I think that was the buy the rumor, sell the news event on the metaverse play. I could be wrong, but guess what? I still have $6K in house money, right? I still have that in house money now that I paid nothing for. It's just sitting there. So if we go crazy, let's go. If we don't, that's fine. If it goes back down, when it goes back down, I'll be looking to add to my position. I'm good. So that's how I played Apecoin. I think people can learn from that trade. That was a good one for me. I don't always get it right. I don't hit on everything. I mean, for sure. I mean, but that was one that I thought I played pretty well, and I wanted to share with it. So share it with you. Crowcoin is another one I'm looking to acquire a lot of. I talked about it yesterday in a video. Let's see. Crow's in the top 20. Here it is. 38 cents right now. I think anytime Crow is below 40 right now, I think it's a great opportunity. Okay. I definitely do. That's just my 2 cents. So, Crow, if we go zoom out here on the 1 year, I mean, this is where you want to accumulate. Look it down at these lows, 37. This was the crash with all the Putin stuff and all the crazy shit, right? They went all the way down to 33 and then bounced. But here, I mean, it's like 40. It's hovering around this 39, 40, 37, 30. It's right back down here, this 36, 37, 38. I think this is just accumulate city for me. And I need to do it more. There's just so many things I like to accumulate right now. Whether it's Gala, I mentioned I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every day right now. Cardano, I need to accumulate more Cardano. These levels, like right here, right now, today, I love Cardano at 82 cents. There's so many things I love here, right? Chronos below 40 cents, love it. Okay. What else do we got? Gala, when it gets down to like 16, 17 cents. Where's Gala? It's down in the 80s, I think. 72. 16 cents Gala, like, yes, I love that. Give me Gala at 16 cents all day long. All day long. So, where's ENS? I'm not going to let you live this down, Daniel, on this swing trade. How long are you thinking on this? Okay, 1794. All right, we're bouncing. We're bouncing. It did bounce up here a little bit, didn't it? It was 831. It bounced up here during the stream. Of course, I got it on this little uptick, 1808. It's fine. Much love from the Btfa family. What's up, man? What's up? Yeah, they're a proud sponsor of the channel now. You can see their logo down there. Down there in the lower left. I think they're in store for some big moves. I really do. Let's see where they're at today. They're sitting at the 17 range. Man, they're up 105% this week. Everybody's accumulating to get into Bandex. I just love the way their launch went. It was so clean. And then, that's just a great looking chart for a new project. They're already verified on Twitter. They're within that ape community where a lot of people are looking right now. A lot of people feel like they missed Apecoin. Maybe they're looking into Btfa now. Who knows? Maybe Btfa can even partner with some of the big dogs in the future, right? I mean, who knows? Crypto Phoenix, I don't like giving, market cap predictions, man, but it's 17 mil right now. And it's early, man. So they reached a 17 million market cap relatively quick too. All, inside a month, right? 25 days, reach a $17 million market cap, had a great launch. So I'm excited to watch them and see where it goes. I'm set on accumulating a larger BNB position if market takes a deeper dive. That's another one I'm sleeping on, Daniel, for sure. And everybody listening. I mean, I gotta accumulate more BNB too. It's down below 400. I would say below 400 is probably a good price for BNB too, right? Yeah, definitely. Below 400 looks to be a really good price for BNB. Man, down here was really nice, huh? That was September. I guess back in January, 358. So this is a really good spot so down in here, like 360s, right? Looks like to be a really good spot to accumulate right now, at least this year. Let's go. Wait, where's January? Where's the last 3 months? Yeah, that was the flash crash when everything. Oh, no, it wasn't. Yeah. So anything under 350 was great, it looks like. 360 is pretty solid, too. So, good morning, Angel. What's happening, man? Btfa going crazy. It's too early. That was my nightmare work today. What happened? Agree with Daniel. Okay. KB, how do we get in your Discord? You have to become a Patreon member, and then you get access to the Discord. So the Patreon is going through some changes. So here's what we're doing with the Patreon now. When you become a Patreon member, starting in May for the new month, a couple days away, you are going to get a newsletter, weekly newsletter, 4 times a week. A lot of great insight in there. I can't wait to share with you the first edition and what all is going to be in there. And in addition to that, Discord, you'll get access to our Discord where we're having these great conversations about different plays and different portfolio allocations and diversifying and news. And you have it, we've got it for you in our Discord. We've got a ton of different channels. And again, you're not just, over there learning from me. You're learning from people way smarter than I am when it comes to a lot of these different areas in crypto. That's what I love because I'm learning every single day with people in here. I mean, these are all the channels in here. It's awesome. It's a great place to hang out and just, constantly soak up information and knowledge. So you get the weekly newsletter. So 4 times a month, access to the Discord. And then also we do classroom chats and Discord general chats just about crypto, about business, about how world news is affecting the markets and things like that. So we have like our private communication, both in text and in voice style over there. All that for $20 per month. So if you want to check it out, I'd wait till May 1st. If you want to give it a run, you can cancel it anytime and, check it out. So that's what we got cooking over there. Muzz got it right there. Come check it out. But again, don't get it today unless you're okay with getting charged today and on the 1st, because it automatically charges you on the 1st with Patreon. So, and if you do and you have an issue, just let me know and I can refund you too. That's no problem. I've sent a lot of refunds. People who buy, right on the 30th and 31st, I'll refund that last month as soon as the new month comes around too. So Faye says, yep, Discord's a great place. Muzz is a time rugger with his weird YouTube video though. Time right. You should try a free trial. Zach. There you go, Zay. Yeah, maybe we can do a little free trial. I don't know how to set that up with Patreon though. I don't. Is there a difference when buying Everrise on ETH or BSC sides besides gas fees? Well, no, just make sure you go to Pancake Swap and not Uniswap if you're buying over on BNB. I've got some on the ETH side and on the Binance side, actually, with Everrise. So it is nice that it's cross-chain. Definitely nice that it's cross-chain. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you're enjoying the content today, hit that notification bell. We're live every Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 or 9:15, whenever we pop on, for at least an hour. Sometimes we go longer. Like a couple days this week, we went like 2 hours. So today's going to be a little shorter than 2 hours, probably a little shorter than an hour and a half, but got some other things I got to run to here in a little bit. But we're always here, and we really enjoy it. So if you do too, and you want to hang out with us and take all this in and use it to make better investing decisions, we'd love for you to join us. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button too. That always helps us out. PancakeSwap.finance. Boca, that's a good point. There are many fake Pancake Swap websites. It's PancakeSwap.finance, 100%. Definitely. Got to follow you, man. Yo, Shiba Inu. What's up, Raj? What's up, Rag? What's up? So yeah, Some things happening with SHIB. We talked about Google Trend study showing SHIB as the most popular crypto in the UK. And then the other big one is behind Cardano, SHIB is now the second longest held cryptocurrency on Coinbase, which is interesting. Oh, by the way, did Milkshake say anything about this big YouTuber AMA thing? Let's see. Here it is. Oh, it's today. Oh, shit. Okay. Today at 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Well, I guess I got to be there. Our first Shiba sessions will be with a diverse group of content creators and our SHIB breeds. We're excited to invite you to this event where the below creators will be asking questions on behalf of the community. Okay. Well, I have a dinner at 7:30, but Milkshake doesn't care about my dinner, I guess. No, I mean, it's cool. I'll find a way to be here. I didn't know what the date was on this. I thought it was okay. I will retweet that out. Set reminder for sure. Okay. I'll have to tune into that. So we're excited to invite this event where the below creators will be asking. Okay, there it is. Confirm speakers. Okay, cool. There's a bunch of us too, so that's good. Okay, so Chad's going to be there. Looks like Rodney's going to be there. Claybro's going to be there. Matthew Perry's going to be there. December DeMarco is going to be there. Nice. SHIB Planet. Cool. All right, bunch of people are going to be there. Sweet. All right, awesome. So there you go. Pretty sweet. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thanks for putting this together. Nice. Where do you think Gala is going to go in 5 years? Oh man, it's tough to say, Hemi, but I think it's going to go much higher because I think that whole sector that they're in is going to get huge, man. And I think they're going to be a household name in it. I really do. I think they have a great chance to be a top 3, gaming company within, that whole sector. They're not focusing on one game, right? They've got a lot going on. So if we go to their website, let's go check them out. They're already a top 100 crypto. It's not like nobody's ever heard of them, right? Like you're not investing into a startup. Oh man, this thing's bouncing too right now. Shoot, man, it dipped all the way down to no, it was still 16 cents and some change. That was a great spot. But there's the 1 month, guys. It continues to this is another good one to DCA into right now. Like there's the 3 month. This is a good DCA right now. I got to start DCAing into Gala more, I think. Workday, you think it's only going to $1 in the next 5 years for Gala? What's the all-time high? I think it's like 70 cents or something. All-time high was 83 cents. So it's 80% off. That's back in November. That was the last big bull run, 83 cents. Now you're getting it at 16 cents. So what is that? Like a 4x? I can't do math like that. What's 16 times 5? Is that like similar? Right? 16 times 5 is 80 cents. So yeah, basically like a 5.5x would be just to get back to the all-time high. I think it's going to go past that. I mean, I would say like $3 would be like a good, I don't know. I mean, I'm just throwing out a number, but Polygon, Ozam Austin's accumulating Polygon. I like Polygon too, dude. I like Matic. I still am holding some Matic. I kind of stopped accumulating it though. Let me see, where's Matic at? I was getting Matic at like 70 cents back in 2021. Where was it? Where were we getting Matic? Back in July. No, check that. It wasn't 70. It must have been like in the 80s. It was below $1. I remember we liked it below $1. Yeah. It had that big run up, in December? Yeah. November and December. Where it set new all-time highs. Yeah, I could see why, though. This is a good dollar cost average play. Awesome. For sure, dude. I like it. Especially if it, ends up being a layer 2 for ETH whenever Ethereum 2.0 rolls out, right? That's the thing. Ethereum 2.0 is still going to be a layer 1 solution, guys. So like Polygon, there was a lot of confusion there. Like, oh, Polygon won't be needed once Ethereum 2.0 rolls out. That's not true. Ethereum 2.0 is still a layer 1. Polygon is still needed as a layer 2 solution for Ethereum 2.0. So I like that idea. Daniel says, I'm not keen on it at the moment. It's something of a saturated market. I like Polygon. I've stopped accumulating it. I mean, I'm still holding some at like 75 cents or something. Or 80 cents. I thought it was 75. Wait, where did this dip to? Yeah. I think we got it in here back in July. I got it in the summer, last summer. I'm still holding on to a little bit of it. I just feel like it's undervalued like Crow. I agree. Can you give your thoughts on TARP, Mark F? Why is it down this much? I don't know, man. I have a little bit of TARP, but nothing too crazy, like where I'm like, freaking out or anything. I threw a little bit at it because I like the principle behind it, but I don't know, man. I haven't heard much. Hey, what are your thoughts on the SHIB game soon to be announced, and how will it affect SHIB as a catalyst? Well, it'll definitely be a positive catalyst. How much of a positive catalyst? It's going to rely on where the market is. But it's certainly one of the top things in 2022 that we're waiting for. The SHIB metaverse play, the gaming side of it, the Shibarium. I mean, those are the top three, right? Boomer Sooner, he's talking about Polygon being undervalued. What's your forecast of Bitcoin? I think we've been trading sideways all of 2022. I mean, let's just look at it real quick. I mean, people will say we're in a bear market. I don't think we're in a bear market yet, personally. I mean, here's your 3-month, right? So February 1st, or, here we go. January 29th or whatever, right? We're trading at $38,200. Back in January 29th. What are we trading at right now? $39,000. I mean, we're just, sure, we had this pop up to 47K, and this was the run up leading to the Bitcoin Miami event, right? And then we came right back off, buy the rumors, sell the news, Bitcoin Miami event, right back down under 40K. But I mean, all in all, when you zoom out here, the price in late January is the almost exact same price of Bitcoin here in late April. So we've been trading sideways all of 2022. Where I think it's going, some people are saying May is going to be a breakout. Some people say it won't be till June. But I mean, here's your zoom out look on Bitcoin. That doesn't look like a bear market. I mean, we had this similar dip in the summer, right? Back in 2021, we were up here at 56K. We came all the way down to under 30K, right? And then only to go absolutely parabolic to 69,000. So again, here's January 2021, all the way down here at 35K. We're trading sideways. I mean, that's it. We're trading sideways. We're consolidating right here. So we'll see what happens. But I'm still bullish until we really break, if we get, break this low back here in July of like 29 or wherever it got down to, like under 30, then I get nervous. But anywhere else, I mean, it's just you're kind of trading in this tight range. So not right now. I'm not accumulating a Boba mask right now. I do like the rebrand though, Michael. Yeah, the WAGMI drop sick. I'm assuming you're talking about the beta. Let's see. Tectonic is a hot degen play. 3 more likes and we hit the 200. Thanks, Steve. Thanks for that, bro. Yeah, guys, hit that like button real quick. Let's get to 200 at least. If you haven't done it, it's totally free to do. It takes like 0.23 seconds. And it's totally free. Best way to give back. I've got another burrito I got to eat here in a minute. Hello. Hope you're doing well. Have you heard of Luna 1? I have. It's just been that one that I've not been able to get the time to look at. I'm so fascinated with a lot of these new launches. I was actually talking to Ozum yesterday about all the new launches, man. It's been crazy how many opportunities there have been with new tokens launching. But I've really been focusing in on Bandex, Zeldaverse. Those two have been top of mind for me. that are upcoming here. Bandex and Zeldaverse. These mini burritos from Burger King are pretty sick. David, how old are you? Guess, David. Guess in the chat how old I am. While I chew this burrito. All right, let's see here. Let's see what else is going on. So yeah, I'm excited about Zeldaverse. I mean, again, guys, Zelda Inu. It's the same person who launched Zelda Inu. He's fully doxxed. His name is Vince. He's been giving money to shelters in 5 different donations. They've been around. They're a household name. They 250x their first launch. So I like people with a proven track record of winning. Vince has a proven track record of winning. Easy for me to say. So that's why I'm excited about Zeldaverse. It's on the Binance side. I was talking about them in their Telegram yesterday. We'll see what happens. But again, when you have something to go off of rather than like some new dev you never heard of who's not fully doxxed, that's a little bit better than, just going into it blind. Because a lot of these new launches are straight up blind, right? I mean, at least here you've seen this guy do it successfully before with Zelda Inu, and now he's going to do Zeldaverse. So if you guys haven't heard about Zeldaverse, it's Zeldaverse.io. And again, there's going to be a 7% buyback. Wall Street Bets are going to be running some big advertisements for this too. Of course, we know they have a huge community. So Zeldaverse. Oh, Matthew Perry's in on this too. Matthew Perry also covers SHIB. We've seen Bart Baker out there quite a bit on crypto now. Here's your tokenomics, though, real quick. Oh, here's their fully doxed dev team. So, here it is. 7% token distribution on the right-hand side here. So the 7% goes back to Zelda Inu. That's going to be big. So. Oh, Muzz said, I didn't know that. They have a banner ad on Wall Street Bets the whole day of launch. Sweet. And Vince, their head dev of Zelda Inu and Zeldaverse, he's a marketing genius, marketing guru. So he'll be doing a lot of different Facebook ads and things like that. Again, their first project, 250x at launch. So, when you see that, you have a track record. You have somebody who's done it before. I agree, Awesome. Why are they new? I know. I think it's a marketing thing because people it resonates with people, I guess. But I agree, man. A lot of these good projects need to get away from the Inu. I agree. Oh, a lot of people got it right. 32. Yeah. Lord Shiba, I appreciate that, bro. 28. 29. I wish. 32 is right. Yeah, Victor got it. Kamal, 34. Come on, man. I don't look that old, do I? Come on, bro. First bite. Yeah, first bite. First sip and first bite. When is this launch? This I'm trying to keep a track in my head, right? Here, they got a countdown right here on Zeldaverse. So it's the first. What's the first? It's Sunday around 5 p.m. Eastern. Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of launches this weekend. A lot. We got Bandex coming on the 2nd. So Zeldaverse.io. Yeah, here, I'll put it in chat. Zeldaverse.io. This is their website. Zeldaverse.io. It'll be available on Pancake Swap. So you're going to need BNB. No gas fees. No gas fees. No, awesome. This isn't the Apollo dev. It's the same dev from Zelda Inu. So here, let me show you guys. If we go over to Binance, this is the Zelda Inu launch. We're up about 3.5% today. This was the Zelda Inu launch. Now, they've been consolidating for since February, basically. Really, since January, late January. They came way down from their launch. They 250x'd, came down, and just trading sideways, basically, right? Now, with Zelda Inu, though, there's a 7% buyback with Zeldaverse. So this is the dev of Zelda Inu. And Zeldaverse is their metaverse play. A first-of-its-kind metaverse token with play-to-earn gaming and real-world support for humans and animals. So Zelda Inu, very, very simple in what they're doing. It's a token that you buy into, and it's a charity token that goes back to help save dogs' lives. It's very simple. That's why I like it. But yeah, Fully Docs dev team. Here's Vince down here. I'm going to have him on the channel sometime next week. Vince Lombardi right here, Chief Executive Officer. I met Robert Reel as well, their marketing director. So. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up. Don't forget, I Trust Capital link down below in the description. Invest in your crypto IRA today. My link is down below. I've also got my referral link to crypto.com. Happy to be back working with them. If you're looking to set up a centralized exchange, that is down there. And yeah, that's what I've got for you. ShibaCon tickets still on sale. Early bird tickets for the GA pass, $235. So that's a great opportunity for you to come out to Vegas. Here's all the perks. ShibaCon Vegas, first ever event. Should be a lot of fun. So that's it. Happy Friday, everybody. Take care. I will see you all in the next one. I'll have some videos out, of course, throughout the day. And take care. See you all soon.